Now the remaining Samyuta Hastas from Abhinaya Darpanam. Utsunga Hasta, first one. Write the slokam. Anyonya Bahu Moolasthav. Anyonya Bahu Moolasthav. Mrigashirsha Karau Yadi. I read again. Anyonya Bahu Moolasthav Mrigashirsha Karau Yadi. Second line. Utsunga Hasta. Utsanga Hasta Sa Gneyo Bharatagama Vedibi. Together I am reading. Anyonya Bahu Moolasthav Mrigashirsha Karau Yadi Utsanga Hasta Sagneyo Bharatagama Vedibi. So it is Mrigashirsha Hastas. Anyonya means together. Bahu Moola. Bahu is starting from here. So here you have to put Bahu Moola. Mrigashirsha Hastas. You have to cross Anyonyanga and then you have to keep it at your, not here. Bahu Moolam. Okay. So then it is called as Utsunga Hasta. So where all you use it? To show hugging. Okay. And to show shy also. Just like this. Okay. That. And to show the armlets they tie, no? Bhuja. For ladies, not ladies or gents, the way you represent. Gents means you can do this, ladies means like this you can do. So that is, for that also we'll be using and to punish children also it is used, it seems, according to Abhinaya Darpanam. Okay, so that is about the Utsunga. Then Shivalinga. Write it down.
Dadi charge takku undi video raavadu.
Sorry.
Okay.
Okay. Vamer Ardhachandre Vinyasta Shikara Shivalingakaha. Vamertha, actually it is, I divided it, okay? Vamertha Chandre Vinyasta Shikara Shivalingakaha. So what he is saying, left hand you have to use the Ardhachandra Hasta and right hand it is Shikara Hasta. That is Shivalinga Hasta. And it is usually used to denote the Shivalingam. Not any other Vinyoga it has. Okay. Then Kataka Vardhana. Kataka Mukhayoh Panyoh Swastika Manibandhayoh. Kataka Mukhayoh Panyoh Swastikan Manibandhayoh. Second line. Kataka Vardhanakhya Syaditi Natya Vidu Natya Kataka Vardhanakhya दिति नाट्य
धान
सा स्या स्या SYA दिति DITHI दिति DITIR दिति తా మీద తలాల వచ్చేది ఫస్ట్ ది దా దండలో దా అండ్ తా తల తి దితి నాట్య విదో విదు సో కటకా ముఖయో పాణ్యో స్వస్తికాన్ మణిబంధయో కటకావర్ధనాఖ్య స్యాదితి నాట్య విదో విదు. సో అకార్డింగ్ టు నాట్యశాస్త్ర వాట్ ఈస్ ద కటకాముఖ? This is Katakamukha. Okay, so it is you have to cross Katakamukha hastas at Mani. Either this or this also you can do it. Because we usually Katakamukha we do like this instead of this. Viniyoga, whatever in practice when you are doing. So this is Kataka Vardhamana. Kataka Vardhana Hastam. It is used for Pattabhishekam and in puja, okay, and when you are blessing somebody also it is used, this Katakamukha hasta.
మేడం దీన్ని మనము ఈ యాడ్ లాగడానికి
అది కపిత్త హస్తంలోంచి కదా రాగేది. ఇది మన్మధుడికి మాత్రమే యూజ్ చేస్తాం. ఓన్లీ మన్మధుడిది పుష్పబాణం ఇట్ ఈస్. సో we use this one. For war and all, you have to use Kapitta Hasta, this Kapitta or this one. I mean, in this one it is Katakamukha. Natya Shastra it is Katakamukha, and this is Kapitta of Abhinaya Darpanam. So you should remember this is Kapitta from Abhinaya Darpanam. This is Katakamukha, Kataka from Natya Shastra. You should be thorough with all these things. Okay.
ఫాలో అవుతున్నారు
అనే రెండు you can follow any hasta treatise, but you should be understand the viniyoga also you have to see and then you have to do. Adi Abhinaya Darpanam, why we use this for Manmadha? He said this is the mudra for Manmadha. So we use this. For Shastra and other things, Natya Shastra and all, it is used Shukatunda Hasta or Kapitta Hasta you can use. So we use that one. Okay. Then it is the Swastik, Kartari Swastika. Slokam. Kartari Swastikakara. Kartari Swastikakara. कर्तरी स्वस्तिको भवेत्. कर्तरी स्वस्तिकाकारा कर्तरी स्वस्तिको भवेत्. So this is the Kartari Mukha. According to Abhinaya Darpanam, the Tripataka Hasta, the little finger and the pointing Tarjani will be going back. Natya Shastram, it is to get at the Moola, it should be crossed. The remaining and all same. So according to Abhinaya Darpanam only we have to do. So these two fingers will go back. And then you have to do the Swastikam. Then it is called as Kartari Swastika. To show branches, to show the hilltop and to show the trees. Like if you separate, then it will become the hill trees. Then Shakata. The next one is Shakata. Brahmarau
సింగిల్ హ్యాండ్ యూజ్ చేస్తాం.
ఆ సంయుత హస్తాల్లో సింగిల్ హ్యాండ్ ఎలా యూజ్ చేస్తావు? ఆ సంయుత హస్తం అంటేనే రెండు హస్తాలు కలిసి చేసేది. అసంయుత హస్తం means you can show only with one hand. This is for women. But the same thing if used, this is called as not asamyuta hasta. It is samyuta hasta because you used to show Mrigashirsha hasta utsunga. And you can understand that two Asamyuta Hastas makes one Samyuta Hasta. That is the difference between Samyuta Hastas and Asamyuta Hasta. In Asamyuta Hasta, it is only one hand, single hand gesture. But in Samyuta Hastas, it's double hand gestures using the sometimes same. Now see here, it's different. Shivalinga, Ardhachandra and Shikhara we used. Otherwise, it will be similar mudras you will be using with both hands. Now, Brahmarau, Shakata Hasta. Brahmarau, Madhyamangushta. Brahmarau, Madhyamangushta. Prasaracha. Prasaracha. Kato bhavet. Brahmarau, Madhyamangushta. Prasaracha. Kato bhavet. So what is saying? In the Brahmara Hasta, Madhyama Angushta, Madhyama and Angushta should be Prasara, open, stretch, open, wide open. Then it will become the Shakata in both hands, because it is Samyuta Hasta. We have to use both hands, and in these both hands you have to open the Madhyama and Angushta and hold. That is called as Shakata. So the Shakata Hasta is used mainly in the Rakshasa Abhinayam to show the Rakshasas, and it looks like that eye. That's why we keep it here. So many people are doing like this. You should not do, because you are not plucking someone's eye or bringing it. You have to show that the cruelty. See, any bhava, you will come only in the eyes. Kallu chustene telisipotadu how naughty this fellow is, how quiet this fellow is, how cunning this fellow is, we say. So, by showing this, the cruelty we are showing. So, that must be the reason to do this Shakata Hasta for Rakshasas. Okay, the next one is Shankha Hasta. Shikharantargatangushta. Shikharantargatangushta. Itarangushta Sangataha. Itarangushta Sangataha. I repeat again the line. Shikharantargatangushta. Itarangushta Sangata. Next line. Tarjanyadya. Tarjanyadya. Stata. Stata. Slishtah. Slishtah, you know. Tarjanyadya means Tarjana and other fingers. Slishta kalapali. Shankha hasta prakirtitaha. Shankha hasta prakirtitaha. I repeat the whole sloka. Shikharam targatangushta. Itarangushta sangataha. Tarjanyadya stata slishtah. Shankha hasta prakirtitaha. So, in the Shikhara Hasta, okay, all the other two Shikhara Hastas it is, okay, all this you have to hold with this one, and this finger, all the fingers you have to open and you can keep. Actually, to understand more easily, one Ardhachandra Hasta and Shikhara Hasta you have to take and hold the thumb with this, and this is more easy than he is saying that two Shikhara Hastas should join. Okay, you have to hold the Shikhara Hasta's thumb with the other Shikhara Hasta, and whichever hand you are holding the thumb, that should be stretched, and this thumb will be pressed on this. That is Shankha. So this Shankha is used, mainly to convey the Shankha. couch. So these are the 6 mudras we will be discussing today. We'll go for the practical.